Hello. This video will help you understand how to use Zoom when you attend a hearing online. We'll send you an email with a link to join the hearing on Zoom. Hearings normally start at 9 a.m, but check the details we send you for the start time, as it could be different. Please join the hearing through the link sent to you 15 minutes before the time you are asked to arrive. This will allow time to resolve any connection issues we might have and give you time to discuss any questions you have with a clerk. When you log in, you will be held in a virtual waiting room. Don't worry if you're waiting for a few minutes, the clerk will know you're waiting and will let you in as soon as they can. The clerk will be the first person you see when you're let into Zoom. I will now talk you through some of the functions of Zoom and let you know what to expect in a remote hearing. At the bottom left of your screen, you will see different icons which include a picture of a microphone. If you click on that, it will mute you so no one else can hear you. You will know it's muted as the icon will change to show a red line through it. If you want to speak, click the microphone again and it will say mute, and everyone will be able to hear you. Next to the mic icon is a video icon. If you click on this, it'll turn your video off. You can click the icon again to turn your video back on. During hearings, we would like your video to be left on so that we can see you. Everyone else who is in the hearing will have their videos on too. Next, I'm going to explain breakout rooms. This allows everyone present to have their own private virtual room. This means you will be moved remotely to a private online room. The clerk can join you in your breakout room if you need to speak to them. When you are moved to a breakout room, you'll see a message pop up on the screen inviting you to join the breakout room. Please accept the invitation. Please mute your mic while you are in the breakout room. When you are in the breakout room, you will see on the bottom of your screen an Ask for Help icon. If you need help or need to speak to the clerk, click this, and it would let the clerk know you would like them to come and see you in this room. If you want to leave the room, there is a button on the bottom right in blue. Click this and then select Leave Room. If you click Leave Meeting, it will remove you from Zoom entirely. If you click this by accident, don't worry, just reuse the link you had to join the hearing at the start of the day. The clerk will explain this process to you again on the day, but we hope this was helpful for now. For information about who will be at the hearing, please watch the video, Who's at a Hearing. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.